Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the shopping cart and how to use it and how to set it up. Uh, on your dashboard on the left hand side, it will be under the features tab right here. So you click on shopping cart and you're brought to this screen right here. So this is a dashboard. This is a summary of all of the stuff that's going on your dashboard, in your cart. The orders are here, and your clientele is here. Your products are listed here. You have some options here. You can select your date format, your time format, first day of the week, your time zone, products per page, um, registration text, login text, profile text, all that kind of stuff is all manageable. Payments tab over here, you're able to select your currency, insurance. So there's a bunch of little different settings here that you're able to tweak. And each one of these things is pretty self-explanatory. If you wanted to add PayPal, you can add your PayPal account here. We've got authorized.net, collecting credit card information for offline processing, bank wires. You're also able to add a COD delivery payment option here as well. Okay, so that's the payment options you've got here, your checkout form. So basically when people are checking out, this is the kind of information that you require. Obviously you've got your name here. That's probably a good idea to have that required. Country, billing address, it's not necessary. I mean, it's up to you exactly what kind of information that you're looking for. And all of these things, again, are fairly self-explanatory. All of that stuff is listed there. Your shipping and your tax. If you've got different areas of the country that you're shipping to, you're able to enter the area and then add shipping amounts and then what it would take to get free shipping to that area. Obviously, your tax rates as well. Notifications. These are systems-generated preset notifications that automatically go out with different triggers. So the triggers are right here. So when a client places an order, this is the confirmation email. You're able to customize this to your liking. You've got different placeholders over here. You can copy these things in these squiggly brackets, and that will pull the order information, the client's name, all that kind of stuff, and you can embed that right in the email as well. Okay, so that's the kind of stuff that you can pull. We've got different emails that go out to clients when a payment's been made, an order. This is admin, so these emails are going to the admins. These are going to the clients, new registration, a password reminder, and send to a friend, so a referral. That's all the different types of emails that go out. Again, you can customize each one, just select which one you want to play with here. You can add a terms and condition page here as well, so any kind of terms and conditions. You've got, as far as your shop goes, you put that in there as well. And then come over here, up the tab up here, your countries. Whatever countries you are actively working with should be activated here. So if you're in the United States, Australia, Canada, wherever you are, make sure you activate those countries just by simply coming to status and activating them all. Invoices, you're able to set up preset invoices also. You can add a company logo. Obviously, the name and address of the company is all there. Different options are here as well. Set payment methods to be accepted when invoices are paid. PayPal, authorized that, blah, 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 all those kinds of things. Again, fairly simple to use, fairly easy to understand. You're able to set up an invoice template as well. Okay, you can see what this is. If you guys are familiar with HTML5 code, you can also do that right here by clicking the Tools tab and entering the source code right there. So you can make it really a really pretty invoice, beautified or branded accordingly as well. You are able to create vouchers. So these are discount codes that can be applied at the point of checkout. And you can see how when you add one, here's the code. You can put a discount percentage there. You can limit to a specific product or all products. You can make it valid for a specific amount of time. Okay. So moving on around, let's look at the products. Let's set up a product here. When you hit the add button right up here, this is what you get. Obviously, it's going to be available, the product name. I'm going to make one, I'll delete one after. Test product. And you can you can select different categories as well. When you set that up, you can see all the different types of categories. I'm going to leave it, put it in here. You can add a product ID, test 1, 2, 3, a short description, short test. Long description can come in here as well. Long test. And then if you want to feature the product, that means it would be showing at the top of your cart when people are coming in to check out your shopping cart. It would show it at the top there. So you can check that if you want it to be featured. I'm going to leave it blank for now. I hit save, so I've created the test product, and now you see a whole bunch of other tabs that opened up. You are able to sell digital products here as well. So we can put a digital product. This is, check the box, it's digital. You can add a file like a video or audio recording, all that kind of stuff. Just select it from your computer. And then you can see how long this link will be valid for. So if it's going to give it to them for 24 hours or whatever, you can make that valid for whatever period of time. Okay, so they'll give you that option as well. Okay, so I'm just going to let's not leave it as digital. I will not make this a digital product. The next thing would be attributes. So you can set attributes here, different things like sizes, color. What else could be an attribute? Geez, whatever, it's two things that come to the top of my mind. Whatever the sizes could be, whether it's, article of clothing, a shoe, a bottle size, that kind of stuff can all be set up right here. And how you do that is basically add a new attribute set, give it a name, and I'm just going to say shirt for this example, and then you got the value. So let's say small, and then you can add another value, right? Medium. Okay. Continue on, and large. So this is how you add attributes. Okay, hit the save button. Now we need to add how many are in stock. So I could say it's let's say 10. I'll give it a price of $50. And then also an image. We need to add an image here. So I need to put an image in the photo section because we need to have an image. Let's go here. I'll go to my gift cards, and I'll select this image. So there you go, there's an image there now. We've got 10 in stock. Choose the image and save, and it will ask me what size after I've saved it with the image. So small, we've got 10. You can add another one. I can say mediums, we've got 5, and you can obviously have different prices for the different sizes if you want, and so on. Okay. If you got any extras, so let's say, I don't know, you're doing embroidery on a garment, or you're, gift wrapping or packaging or anything, any kind of extras you can imagine, you would add that right here. So you can add, is it a single type or multiple type? Is it required? If it's required or not, and then the name of the extra and what the price is. Okay, I'm not gonna add this up here. Similar products. This is a really cool tool. So like, when you go to Amazon or something like that, and you buy something, you can see underneath the product, people that bought this also bought that. Same kind of idea. Similar products. I've only got, I don't think I have any products that I can add that are similar, so I won't add that here, but you can basically do that right here. Do a search, find a product, and boom, when someone buys this product, it will show the other similar products as well. And then obviously you've got history. So I think that adds it gives you an idea of how to add products. We can see the product. Where's my product? There's my test product. It's available. The options is a good idea to go in here, and it's basically up to you how you accept orders. Okay, so right now I think it's set to automatically confirm an order when a payment is made. Check if you want to disable payments and only collect order information. Check if you want to disable placement. Okay, this is only cart in the catalog mode. So when an order is made, it will automatically come through and payment is made as a confirmed order. Okay, let's take a look at the front end of the site. So this is what your site would look like. Okay, move this up a little bit. So these are the items that you have listed here. Here's the test item I just created. Choose a size, I can add a quantity right here. Hit the add button, and now I'm in my cart. I can check out, and away you go. Well, when you're inside of the app, it's going to automatically pull your email address from the profile that is created when you've logged into the app, and all the other information will be updated as you add it. So that's a quick overview of the shopping cart module. If you guys have any questions, as usual, send us an email, and we will address them as they come through. Thanks.